So good. What's up guys, Outdoor Dude here with another video for you guys. Today we're going to make a deer burger, and this is probably my best deer burger recipe I ever made. Stay tuned. Full recipe link will be down in the description below. So let's get started. First things first, you take your deer meat. For my instance, this is a roe buck that I shot last summer, but you can literally use any deer meat that you like. It works out on any kind of deer meat. You're gonna open up your deer meat. You're gonna put it in a bucket. Next, you will use 1 egg, crack it up, put it in there. You will take some olive oil, kind of just a tablespoon, not much. It's just to combine the meat. And then you are going to take some salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon, 1.5, 2 teaspoons. That should do it. And the pepper. Once you got the salt and pepper inside, you would take your hand down and combine it. So just really get in there and combine the egg, the salt and pepper, and the deer meat and the olive oil together. Now all the deer meat is combined together with the ingredients. So you're gonna take them up and you're going to create your patties. And just really squeeze it to get in there, but it's really easy to play around with, especially with the olive oil and the egg inside. So yeah, the deer patties is done. So next thing you are going to do is to take a piece of bacon, because deer meat and all kind of deer meat is really lean meat. So you want to add to the fat. It's so easy with those patties, because you can literally just put them on like this and they will just wrap around it themselves and grab onto it. That's 1, and that's 2 perfectly nice patties. I'll put them aside and I will finish up the onions. And you're just gonna cut them in half, so you get the big circle rings. So now the onion is cut, I will set them aside and I will get the garlic. With the garlic, you're going to leave them in whole pieces, and they are just gonna be on the pan together with the deer patties, just to really suck in that flavor. So now the garlic is all peeled, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of garlic. I use around 2 or 3 garlic for each patty. So now the only thing we need is thyme. And I'll just grab like a handful of thyme. And now we are ready to heat up the pan with some oil and get it heated up. And you just want to use a lot of oil, because again, deer meat is low on fat, so you want to add to the extra. Now we're ready to bring in the deer patties. That's 1, that's 2. And now we're ready for the onions. Now we will add in some of the thyme. Make sure it combines with the oil, so it gets a really nice good taste. So we got the deer patty on the pan right now, cooking up with the onions and the garlic. So now we can begin with the salad. For salad, I use cabbage, but you can use whatever you like. I just like the texture. It adds to the crispiness of the burger. So let's begin with cutting some of the cabbage. You don't need that much. So I got the cabbage cut, set aside, and I'm going to get ready with the cheddar cheese, which is going to be on top of the burger once it's ready. And I'm going to cut the buns. I'm just going to go and check up on the meat and add a little extra salt and pepper and some extra olive oil. You don't want to go low on fat when it comes to wild game meat. Oh yeah, that looks good. You can also use butter, but I didn't bring butter today. For the extras, I brought some jalapenos, some pickled red onions, some creamy tomato pesto. And also I like to use some chili mayo to spice it up a bit. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm just gonna go and check up on the meat. Oh, yeah. Dang. That looks so good. And you see the onions, they begin to be more soft and brown. That's good. Now we're just gonna add some more salt and pepper. Deer meat is almost done, so we're going to warm up the burger buns, and we're gonna take away the onions from the pan and put in the cheddar cheese. We'll put one piece of cheddar. So we got the burger buns heating up. They're almost done already. I see, I'll just twist them around. We got the cheddar cheese on the pan. We got the onions picked off. If you really want the cheese to be melting, it's already melting. But if you really want it to melt, you can take some of the oil from the pan and just put it on top. And would you have a look at that? That's just extraordinary. You can see the cheese is melting nice and good. Would you have a look at that? We got it all off the pan, and now we just need to combine the burger. So for the burger, I always go bun, pesto, cabbage, onions, deer patty, jalapenos, topped off with a bun. And there you have it. Would you have a look at that bad boy? So let's give it a try. Wow. So good. Really, really nice. With the extra fat added in with the bacon and spiced up with the jalapenos. What a setting to enjoy this beautiful art piece and this beautiful nature. You can just hear the birds chirping. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna finish up this amazing, delicious burger. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Wow. Okay.